Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. What's up? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about the 3 best side hustles for lazy people. All right, this is stuff that, like, look. You just want to earn some extra money in your bank account. You ain't trying to do too much. You ain't trying to learn too much. You're not even trying to use too much of your time, right? You just kind of just want to the least amount of work you can do. That's what you're trying to do, right? So if that's you, this video is for you. All right, so the first one I want to talk about is one that's super popular, but a lot of people sleeping on it still, and that is eBay. eBay is one of the easiest way to bring in some extra money and create like a super extra side hustle. And eBay, actually, you can turn into a full-blown business if you really wanted to. But with eBay, it's super easy to get started. All you need to do is go to ebay.com, create you a seller account, and start posting up stuff, right? And I always tell people, start with the stuff that you already have. Everybody has stuff that they don't want anymore. They don't use it, they don't need it, or they know somebody, a relative, a friend, whatever, that has stuff that may be junk to them, right? But it could have value on eBay, and somebody is most likely out there willing to pay for that stuff. So that is a super easy way to get started, making some extra money and having you a side hustle. The key when it comes to eBay is really, just like with anything else, have a cool title for whatever the product is. But what's even more important than that is have good pictures of whatever it is you're selling. It's nothing like doing a search on YouTube, on eBay. You're looking for something and you see like a picture, you see it like, oh man, those are the shoes I want. But the shoes are dirty, or the shoes are like sitting in a garage somewhere, in a dirty garage, a dirty environment. Make sure your pictures are good. And that shouldn't be complicated, but that will help you out a lot. Make sure you give a good description of whatever it is you're selling and offer a good price, right? If you got something that hypothetically brand new, you can buy it for $100. It's used, you've been had it for a while. You might want to, sell it on eBay for $60, right? And you want to make it a really good deal for people. And if you do that, trust me, you'll sell some stuff on eBay. And like I said, start with just stuff. Look around, look for old clothes you don't got, old toys your kids had, or even jewelry that you don't wear no more, whatever it is, right? That's how you want to start. All right, that's the first side hustle. The second side hustle that you can try is doing freelance work on Upwork. All right, so all you need to do is go to upwork.com. This is a place where a lot of people go for, like, if they're writers or graphic design, website building, stuff like that. If you're one of them type people who can do that, great. But I've made money on Upwork before simply by taking pictures, right? So once you create a profile on Upwork, you can kind of say what you're into, what your specialty is, whatever. But you can actually search on Upwork for other jobs, right? And you can even do local jobs. So somebody reached out to me after looking at my profile for whatever reason. They're like, yo, let me message this guy, because they were actually doing property renovations where I'm living, right? So they reached out to me and like, hey, would you be willing to take these pictures of this building for me? It pays this amount. I need them by this date. Can you do it? And I was like, okay. You know what I'm saying? At the time, I'm like, I could use some extra money. Why not? So I went, I took the pictures. I emailed the pictures to the client, and I got paid. Simple as that. Now, let me just tell you this. Really look into what you're doing, because this place, I got sent to take these pictures, It was like a haunted castle. It was a haunted house. I don't know what it was. It was scary as hell. But I did the job and I got money. So you don't have to be a graphic designer or a website builder or a writer to make money on Upwork. Just go over to the site and just do some searches. You'll be surprised some of the things you might see. It might even be stuff like, set flyers out. You know what I'm saying? In your area. It could be, make a couple calls to people. It could be simple stuff, guys. And you can earn some extra cash doing that, and that could be your little side hustle. All right. So the third side hustle that you can try, if you're a lazy person, you ain't trying to do too much. You just trying to get a couple extra dollars, right? Try transcription work, right? You might be thinking, what? Transcription work? Transcription work is getting more and more popular when it comes to working from home, side hustles, earning extra income, whatever you want to call it. Transcription work is getting a lot of attention lately, and in most cases it's pretty easy. All right, a great place to start. Wait, let me just tell you real quick. If you don't know what transcription work is, it's basically when you listen to audio and you just type in everything you hear. That's it, right? That's pretty much all it is. You type what you hear. Now granted, every company has their own training, because there's little different things you got to learn, like when you hear certain noises you got to put in certain little codes, or you got to type this if you hear that. But it's just basic training, guys. A lot of people are doing this, and a lot of people are making some extra income, and a lot of people says this is super easy to do. So a great place that you can start is rev.com and a place called quicktake.com. Google those, look at them, and try it out. The cool thing about most of these transcription jobs is you can pretty much work when you want. Like whenever you accept a project, you usually just have to have a deadline. Like, if you say you accept a job on a Monday, you might gotta have it done by Wednesday or whatever, right? So you can, pretty much work when you want. The downside to it, a lot of transcription companies, they don't pay a lot. So this is why it's a side hustle, and you can earn some real extra income, but don't go into it like, yo, I could do this full time. Maybe there's some jobs out there that will hire you full time and you can make a decent amount. But just getting started, I would use it as a nice little side hustle, extra income. All right. So guys, those are 3 side hustles that you can do if you're a lazy person. And I'm not promoting being lazy, but I'm just saying, what I'm saying? If you're watching this video, it is what it is. All right. So check those out, guys. Comment below and let me know what your favorite side hustle is. Be sure to subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.